Hi, I'm Jackie and this is Ling. This is where we'll be holding the Mindfulness and Movement in Nature weekend starting the 28th of February. Here we can become immersed in nature, in the woodlands, by the river, and just walking around these amazing grounds here. But we'll have the benefits of learning some mindfulness in nature, as well as some movement with qigong, and just taking it easy and having a nice retreat weekend with good food, good space to be in, and like-minded people. So why not join me for the next couple of minutes to just relax and sit back, take a mindful moment as we take a look around the venue of Samye, Ling. As this course continues, we begin to deepen into our mindfulness practice and begin to learn the workings of the mind, looking at what we call the undercurrent of the mind and our attitude towards what thoughts are popping into our mind and where our mind begins to chase after these thoughts and how that makes us feel. Cultivating compassion and kindness is also an important part of mindfulness training as we look at our attitude and begin to gently open more. We will be inviting you to learn mindfulness through immersion in nature and noticing more and taking in the moments of beauty. We will also spend some time practicing Shinrin-yoku, which is forest bathing, and spending time with trees, using the experience of nature to hold us in the present moment. Research tells us that mindfulness, compassion, nature and qigong all contribute to our well-being and reduction of stress individually. So we look forward to combining all four of these benefits for you into one weekend. So we invite you to take some time out for yourself, relax and rest, and soak in the practices in this peaceful environment.